Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sonali. I am 22 years old. I am from Goa. I have completed my schooling from KV High School. I have completed my graduation from Chogule College, Margao. My hobbies are painting, listening to music, and listening to motivational stories. I love reading books. My favorite game is cricket, and my favorite sports person is Virat Kohli. My parents are my strength. Hard work, punctuality, and positivity are my strong points. I would be very grateful if I get an opportunity to be a part of this institute and serve my nation. Hello friends, this was the self-introduction speech when you go for an interview. If you go for the interview in the morning, you have to say good morning. If you go in the afternoon, you have to say good afternoon. And if your interview is in the evening, you have to say good evening. And while leaving from the room, you have to say thank you sir, have a nice day.